Hey there! Hi! We've got some work to do. First, many of you have passed assignments that are not done. Many of you have them all done. Nice job. If you don't have them all done, go back, work on them this weekend, get them finished. Okay? Get them finished. Second of all, here is an assignment for you to do today. I got two videos, population ecology and carrying capacity of limiting factors of populations. So we're talking about ecosystems where the animals all live and interact with each other. It might be predator and prey, a wolf and a rabbit. It might be a hawk and a rabbit. It might be plants being eaten by rabbits. All of these things are different connections being made in the ecosystem, the area where everything is living and thriving. Abiotic factors are affecting the populations of all these different animals. A population is the number of a certain species in an area. So if you're going to count the number of fox in an area, that is the fox's population. If you're talking about the number of oak trees in an area, that's the oak tree population. Anything that's living, it doesn't matter if it's animals or trees or plants, we're still talking about populations because it's a species. Okay? Each species is affected by other things. The mice population is affected by how many fox and skunks and coyotes live in that area because they eat the mice. That's how they interact. If populations get too high, diseases come in, and that can control populations. Those are limiting factors. All of these things are important to understand. Abiotic factors like sunlight, rain, soil, all of these things affect the population. Abiotic factors always affect it also. Like the weather. If we get a blizzard, it might wipe out a number of animals that are doing well, and it'll reduce the population. If they die and a predator finds them, the predator eats them, and their population might go up because now they have more food. All of these things affect each other. So these two videos talk about that, and then there are questions right here on the Google Docs. So make sure that you are looking and answering the questions. Watch the videos and then answer these questions. If you can somehow do it at the same time, great. You might have to pause and answer whatever it is. Then turn it in. Don't turn in anything unless you have the assignment with it. It's the population video Google Docs that you hand in. Okay? That is for tomorrow. Thank you. Get your other work done, please. Have a good day. Bye-bye.